So this is a quick run through. The idea is that we are going to help people learn how to build forms for DocuBot. So I'm going to take a document that I've called intake sheet. So you just go through what looks to be 14 questions, name, phone number, etc. So the first thinking exercise is you're going to assign a definition to each one of those questions. So first variable name equals legal name. Then variable phone number. Your instructions must have area code. Third variable, as you see, was a yes/no question. And you just basically go through. Important to note down here, 11th variable, TE equals text entry. That basically means the person's going to freestyle. If there are some operations, if people get this sophisticated, as if we look here, family size, so that gives you a number, and then yearly income is an amount that they will input. But we know that the number of people in their family, 3, equals an amount 20,600. So that could be useful in determining, like I said here, variable A must be less than a $B, something like that. So that's even a little sophisticated, but the idea is people are just going to tell us a little bit on this. So then we will know, once we have an idea of our variables, then we can go ahead and jump over here. And so now we're going to go to the will document, and the will kind of says, okay, there's our squiggly lines, brackets. You've got last name underscore, first name underscore. So this would say last will and testament for Velez Jason. Squiggly line, document of date. So you go through, you can see on line 2 here, there is an actual variable if sex is male, him, if else, her. And then you kind of go through, and that's a little bit of a separate operation. And then that will get us to our power of attorney, which starts out right here. I, George Moran, address, blah, blah, blah. Then you jump down below. Now I've taken the above and I've turned it into squigglies, first name, last name, street name, state of residence. And what I would do at that point is you would copy, actually I think there's a notary public, so you go down all the way to the bottom and you would copy this. And this is where we get over to the standard editor, where you would paste it into the editor. And now you can see this is in an editor. So then you go to source. Now you've got the source code, which basically is what you feed into the computer. You go Control A, you're going to copy that. And now you could put it into like a text editor, or let me see, I think we have a text editor here, text edit. So you could just save it into here. You go File, New, and you're just going to paste it, and you go File, Save, Power, POA, Power of Attorney, source code. Save that, and then you can email that to us. We're working on that, but in a rough overview, you just saw how we would create a document.